And on to the next one. So the first thing we'll do is we're going to read the question sentence first. So let's get to business here. So what fraction of the original muffins remained in simplest terms? So everyone, let's go ahead and make sure we read that correctly, because success and failure in a word problem, yeah, a lot of the times it's determined based on how accurately you interpret the question sentence. So what fraction of the original muffins, what word is that, everybody? Can you repeat that in the chat box for me? What fraction of the original muffins what? Yeah, what fraction of the original muffins remained? Okay, so here's how we're going to set this up. We are looking for the remaining number of muffins over the total. One more time. We're looking for the remaining number of muffins over the total. So if you're prone to rage bait, this is where I'll ask you to lower the volume and just walk away, because when we take a look at the information we're given, we see that we had 28 muffins for an event, which was the 28 that we had total in the beginning. But when we take a look at how much were consumed, that's going to be 8. 8 were consumed. Everybody, does that mean that 8 belongs up top? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. 8 is how much we ate, not how much remain. Everyone, if we ate 8 of them and we started with 28 from the beginning, we subtract and we get how many left? We get 20. 20 remain. And when we write this fraction out, this fraction here is 20 over 28. We can divide the numerator and denominator by the same value. This is called simplification. And we can get this down to simplest terms to figure out which one's correct. Everyone, 20 and 28 can be divided by 2. But what's the bigger number? What's the biggest number that can be divided out of both 20 and 28? 4. Correct. So let's go ahead and divide them both by 4. Right there and there. 20 divided by 4, that's going to give us 5. 28 divided by 4 gives us 7. And so there's our final answer in simplest terms, 5 over 7, which is answer choice C. Remember, everybody, it's C, not A, because we're looking at the fraction that remained, not the amount that was consumed out of the total, but the amount that remained relative to the total. So again, it's really all about those key words that bring the story together.